Rigol DS2000A 2-channel DSOs offer unsurpassed price performance. Bandwidths range from 70 to 300 MHz, memory depths up to 28 megapoints. Combined with a fast 50,000 waveforms per second update means you won't miss any signals. They feature a large 8-inch display with a 256 level intensity graduated waveform display. DS2000A features a low noise floor and a very wide vertical range, from 10 volts per division all the way down to 500 microvolts per division. There's a large variety of trigger functions on the DS2000, including serial bus trigger capability. As well as serial bus trigger, the DS2000 features optional serial bus decoding functions for RS-232, I2C, SPI and CAN. Connectivity features include USB host and device, LAN and auxiliary. Standard memory length on the DS2000A is 14 megapoints with 28 megapoints optional, allowing us to capture large amounts of signal and zoom into incredible levels. Here we can see color burst signal on an analog video capture where we've captured many fields and looking at individual color burst from lines. The long record length of the DS2000A series can also be segmented, allowing us to use the record function to capture multiple events and replay these multiple events. If we change the memory length to a smaller memory size, we can capture many thousands of occurring events. We've just captured 8,000 individual video lines, which we can then replay. This information is date and time stamped and can be compared. With the waveform record mode, I can also run the oscilloscope in a particular trigger. In this case, we'll just use a normal trigger mode into record mode, so it's only going to capture records or signals as they occur by touching the probe. We can then capture with time stamping of events when they occur. Again, many thousands of events can be captured. These events, once they're captured, can be replayed. The replayed events can also be zoomed into. If we have the serial decode feature turned on, these events can be decoded post-capture. Another use for the long record length is in high resolution mode. In this mode, what we can do is we can enhance the resolution on the oscilloscope, and we can basically see very small signal changes. This can be shown here. The S version of the 2000A series features a 2-channel function generator. The 2-channel function generator is a function arbitrary generator, which has a variety of standardized waveforms, as well as user-created arbitrary waveforms. The waveforms have independent control over frequency, amplitude, and also phase. We can see the variety of different waveforms, with some modulation as well. And then we have arbitrary capability with user-created. Other features of DS2000 oscilloscopes feature a 50 ohm front end, switchable between 1 megohm and 50 ohm, a variety of automated measurements, with dedicated control for horizontal and vertical measurements, as well as displaying all measurements on simultaneously, and a hardware-based frequency counter. On-screen cursors with tracking function to track the waveform. Maths, including an advanced maths capability, where we can define expressions, maths expressions, integration, differentiation, etc., as well as FFT and addition, subtraction, division, all standard features of the DS2000A. Upcoming MSO versions of the DS2000 and also the DS1000Z series will have the added capability of 16 digital channel inputs, as well as the 2-channel DS2000, 4-channel DS1000Z.